Today we are going to make some southern hash browns. I have the hash browns cooking on medium to medium-high heat. While the hash browns are cooking, I'll go ahead and chop up my veggies. Here, I'll just pre-wash my spinach, cut my onion, jalapeno, mini bell pepper, and tomato. I wait until the hash browns are just a smidge from done. Then add in the veggies. Wait until the last few minutes of cook time to add the tomatoes and spinach. I typically serve these hash browns on a bit of spinach. Toss on some diced avocado and add a drizzle of salsa. When I don't have any homemade sauce on hand, I find Valentina salsa pairs really well with this dish. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Check out the ingredients list in the description box below.